And then when you get to 7, 8, 9, they just make them a little longer. Keep in mind when you have a whole number or just the plain variable, it's over 1, so you really don't have to worry about that one when you're looking at the common denominator. I've got a 3, 3, and a 4, so my least common multiple there would be 12, right? 3 times 4 is 12. So again, I'm just going to multiply everything times 12, including that whole number. But on the fractions, I'm going to be able to cancel. 3 goes into 12 4 times. 4 times my 7x is 28x. 3 goes into 12 4 times again. 4 times my minus 4, minus 16. Here I have to do the 12 times the x. There's no canceling, so I get 12x. And then 4 goes into 12 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. So 28x minus 16 equals 12x plus 9. So I want to solve that. Since I have both numbers and variables, I'm going to move my variables to the left, my numbers to the right. So I'm going to minus my 12x and add my 16 to move it over. 28 minus 12 will give me 16x, and 9 plus 16 is 25. And then of course my last step is dividing, so x is going to equal 25 over 16. I can't simplify that, so that's going to be my answer. Number 8 then. We have a 3, a 2, and a 6 in our denominator, so our least common multiple would be 6, right? So I'm going to take 6 times each term up here. Alex likes to put those parentheses first, I just skip that step. In the first one, I don't have a fraction, so 6 times 7y, just going to give me that 42y. On the rest where I have fractions, I can cancel. 3 goes into 6 2 times. 2 times my negative 4 would be negative 8. Equals 2 goes into 6. 3 times 5y, 15y. And then 6 goes into 6 1 time. 1 times a minus 7, going to be minus 7. So 42y minus 8 equals 15y minus 7. So I want to solve that. I like to move my variables to the left, my numbers to the right, so I'm going to minus my 15y to move that over and add my 8. 42 minus 15 would give me 27y. Oops, 27y. Negative 7 plus 8 is 1. And then, of course, I'm going to divide. And so y is going to equal 1 over 27. 1/27. So number 9. My common denominator on that one, we would use 15, because I have 5s and 3s, so 15. So I'm going to multiply each term times my 15. So 15 times 5u would give you 75u. 15 times my 1/5. Gives you plus 3. Because 5 goes into 15. 3 times 1 is 3. Equals 15 times my 2/5 u.
6u.
6u. 5 goes into 15. 3 times 2u is 6u. And 4/3 times 15 plus 20. 3 goes in there 5 times, and 5 times 4 is 20. So if I'm going to solve that for you, the next thing I want to do is minus the 6u to move it over here, and minus the 3 to move it over there. So 75 minus 6. 69u. 20 minus 3 is 17. And so u is going to equal 17 over 69. I don't believe you can reduce that down. So that's going to be your answer.